Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella G, and if you are new, you're highly welcome. Please do well to hit the subscribe button so you could join the makeup squad. So if you want to see how I created this look in depth, step by step on how I created this look, please do keep on watching. So I started off using my moisturizer. I'm always moisturizing every time. Apply this all over my face. When it's dried, I go in with my face primer. I'm using the Zaron face primer. Guys, is it only me? I'm always having breakout, like when it's that time of the month. Sometimes my face is smooth, other times my face becomes really rough. So for my foundation, I'm mixing that Zaron and Flawless Ivy foundation to have my skin tone. And guys, do you notice that my face is becoming very round? Face is becoming real fat. So to contour my face, I'm using that Flawless Ivy foundation. I like to use this foundation. It's just one shade darker, but it's like brown. I have that brown golden undertone, so I like to use it. So I have that sun-kissed effect. So for my concealer, I'm using the Flawless Ivy concealer. I'm using this to structure my face. This face needs structuring. Then I go in to contour my nose. I like to contour my nose before I blend out my under eye area, because when I'm blending it out, you see I'll take the concealer upward a little bit, and it will create that dilution that my nose is straight. I have very straight nose, so this is why I like contouring my nose before I blend out my under eye concealer. So if you know me, you know I like to blush. I always go in with my liquid blush because it lasts longer than powdered blush. To set my under eye area and all the places I conceal, I'm going in with that Flawless Ivy powder, loose powder in the shade Banana, and I'm setting it first. So to set all the places I contoured, I'm going in with that shade from that palette, and I do use my contour to make my face, my forehead look smaller. So I'm now lining my brows with my Davis pencil. These days I like to just conceal my brow bone area, then blend it out before I go in with that same concealer for my eyeshadow base. You see, why don't you do it? It's difficult to use your blending sponge close to the eye, because sometimes it will clean out your brows. So I set my concealer. I'm now baking now so that it will catch out fallout. So I'm starting on with this shade of eyeshadow. I use it to smoke out my under eye area. I don't think this. Then I go in with that orange to blend it all out as my transition color. I wanted saying this doesn't even need this for my main color. See this color? Sometimes you go to use it, it will look very strange on your face. Other days it will look real fine. And today was one of those days for looking real fine. So I go in again with that burgundy shade to blend in everything. Go back in with my brush to make sure everything is flowing into each other. Then I dust out my setting powder, like my baking powder, and you see how I'm sweeping it inwardly. Then I line my eyes. After lining the eyes, I go in with my main color to apply on that area, then use my gel liner to line my waterline. Guys, you are looking close. You see the place I baked, you see, is looking very dry. Even though I have oily face, that's why I don't like baking most of the time. That's why I always avoid to bake, because this place will now look really dry. That's why I avoid baking. So for my eyeshadow glue, I'm using the classic glue. This method I'm always swearing by, that this method, oh my goodness. As a beginner, try it and tell me. Try it and tell me, please, this method of applying your lashes. Then I set all over my face with my finishing powder. Use my Kiss Beauty setting spray to start to reduce all that powder from the face. So guys, this is the final look. Hope it was short, hope it was detailed. Please don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up. I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. So this is me outside. You see how it's giving, right? Until the next video, bye guys.